Here's how to pair your Sony earbuds in about 60 seconds. The first time you take your new earbuds out your case and put them in your ears, they automatically switch into pairing mode. And if you have an Android device, a notification should pop up on the bottom of the screen to fast pair your new headphones. On an iOS device, you will have to open up your Bluetooth settings within the device and select the model number of your new buds to connect them. On both Android and iOS, you can download the Sound Connect app. Once the app is set up, you can also pair your headphones to the device through the app. Finally, you can manually place them into pairing mode by opening the lid and leaving both earbuds in the case. Then press and hold the small button on the back of the case for 5 seconds until you see the blue flashing lights. You should be able to connect your device using any of these methods I just mentioned. Woo! I hope that helped. Did I make it under 45 seconds?